Don't forget to like, subscribe. May patalo, may umipal, buisit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ang baboy. Hi mga Popsicles! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. So, it's been a long time guys na hindi ako nakakapag-vlog kasi busy ako maghanap buhay kasi nga you know naman na it's still pandemic, tsaka malala pa yung COVID cases natin dito. So, ako ay belong sa unemployed Filipino. So, ngayon, ginagawa ko, i-vlog ko na lang yung kung anong kinabibisihan ko lately, tsaka yung nagpaitim sa akin. Like the... So, yun na. Last time, I've discussed about pronouns, diba? Na-discuss ko na yung pronouns, tsaka yung possessive pronouns. And yung interrogative pronoun. So, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo ay yung kung ano sa waray yung mga demonstrative adjective. And, by the way guys, demonstrative can be adjective or pronoun. Ito yung ginagamit natin every time na nagko-compose tayo ng sentences, nagtuturo tayo, di ba? This, that, those, that. Okay? First demonstrative na ating ito-translate sa waray is yung this, ini. Otro, this, ini. Again, this, ini. Sa waray. So, for example, kapag humahawak tayo ng bagay, we use demonstrative this. Halimbawa, this is mic condenser. Ini and mic condenser. Again, kung you want to be, kung gusto mo naman gumamit or i-apply yung possessive pronoun, you can do so. Halimbawa, ini an akon mic condenser. Again, ini an akon mic condenser. Very good. So, na-apply natin yung possessive pronoun. Yung pangalawa naman na demonstrative ay kapag nagtuturo tayo malayo sa atin. Okay? Hindi natin hawak yung bagay. Hindi lahat ng bagay hawak natin. So, yun, kapag nagtuturo tayo ng, kunwari yung bagay na yan, that ang gamitin natin. So, ginagamit natin ay that. Okay, very good. So, that. Halimbawa, that is the mirror.
Diba? Ay, by the way, ancient yung mirror na yan. Lately ko lang yung napinaint. Ancient yan since hindi pa ata ako, since lumipat ng bahay si nanay. Kaya matagal na yun. Kaya hindi ko tinatapon kasi gumaganda tayo sa...
Well, anyways, yun na nga. We use that. That is the mirror. In waray, iton. Iton and salamin. You make another example. You make it, insert natin yung possessive pronoun natin. Iton and akon salamin. Okay? And by the way, hindi kaya ng sa English. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na these and those. In waray kasi, para maging plural yung noun, nilalagyan lang ng mga. Hindi kaya ng sa English, diba? S, add S, add ES. In waray, you just add mga. Okay? Ano lang yan in paalala? Babala. So, again, yung katumbas ng this, ini, again, this, ini, that, iton. Okay? So, wala na kaming ginagamit na these, those. Hindi naman kasi kapag maramihan na those at saka yung these, hindi na dagdagan na ng mga. Okay? Mga. For example, these are my makeups. Di ba? Kunwari mabongga yung makeups. Kaya these are my makeups. In waray, ini ang akon mga pan-makeup. Ini ang akon mga pan-makeup. Okay? Kapag nagtuturo naman, ito ang akon mga kabugtuan. In English, those are my siblings. Yeah. We can apply to anywhere those. Ito ang akon mga kabugtuan. Pero, wow. That, I know, that was my high school classmate. Iton, siya, ang akon classmate sa high school. So, yun yung gamitin nyo. Iton siya, ang akon classmate sa high school. So, demonstrative, iton, siya, possessive, then, ang akon classmate sa high school. Predicate. So, yun yung magkakasunod-sunod. Okay? Okay. So, kung nalitong naman kayo sa this, that, comment down below. So, let's review muna bago tayo umixit sa ating video na to. Ano ulit? Yung demonstrative pronoun in waray. Yung katumbas ng demonstrative pronoun in English into waray. This, ini, that, iton. So, that's the only guy. So, yung dalawang yun, yung bali apat, singular, tsaka yung these, those, yun yung plural. Yung plural sa demonstrative pronoun or adjective. So, in waray, again, kapag yung pluralization, yung pagpuplural ng mga nouns, dinadagdagan lang ng mga. Okay. So, that is for our video for today, guys. So, laging tandaan na together and kapit kamay. Together, let's learn, let's be confused and learn in this Waray Lessons 101. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, may umipal-buisit. So, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ang baboy. See you for our next video. Yung next video natin is yung everyday natin na i-encounter. Yung days of the week. Or in waray, hampito ka adlaw sa usa ka semana. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ipal. Hi, mga popsicles. Wow. So, I think of something kasi yung iba nag-video may tawag na sila sa kanilang viewers. So, I'll call mine popsicles.